So one of the biggest mistakes that I made that unlocked the most revenue and the most results once I understood it in marketing was understanding that my objective or my client's objectives and the platform objectives or the objectives of the platform that we're using to advertise is not necessarily an adversarial relationship. The platform, let's go with Meta. Meta has a specific goal in mind. Their core business function is happy people on the platform for longer. So they want to do everything they possibly can to keep people to build their business. And one of the things that they can do to make revenue and to make shareholders happy is to sell advertising space. But you can't sell advertising space at the cost of your core business because then the ship is going to fail. So they want to sell advertising that aligns with happy people on their platform for longer. So if you understand the core competent or the core business model of each one of the platforms that you're advertising on, you'll go a lot further. As a marketer, your ideas should not be centered around how can you make the most from your client's ad spend? Yes, that is one thing, but that's like saying a 100-meter athlete, his goal is to run 100 meters really fast. Because yes, that is the goal, but that's not the only thing that he does. He might have short sprints, he might have longer sprints, everything that makes that 100 meters so much faster, right? So it's not always about taking the USPs of your clients and then turning that into an ad and running it the same way on all platforms, because Meta's core business function isn't the same as, say, Google is. Because with Google, it's about relevancy. They want to show people the most relevant answer. And the reason for that is they want their business model, because it's centered around relevancy, they want people on their platform for the shortest amount of time, and then on the platform after that, or the results that they show them, they want them to stay there for longer. So the strategy needs to change, and you need to be aware of that. And it's once I understood that, that's when everything took off, and where I could actually turn a decent ROI and decent ROAS and not worry about week to week or day to day, but rather start looking at month to quarter and start pushing out consistent results over longer periods of time.